Hey everyone, it's Katie here from 4 Patriots, and this is Erin. With the crazy year we've all had, it can be easy to lose sight of the fun we should be having this time of year, like cookie decorating. Plus, with Halloween right around the corner, what could be better than decorating some spooky treats with your kiddos? Oops, I mean Captain America and the Fire Chief. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Well, how about decorating some 4 Patriot food bars? They taste just like shortbread cookies and are great for an at-home craft. So let's get decorating. Okay, everyone grab a cookie.
I'm gonna make something that you are not gonna believe what it is. I'm gonna lick it off.
No, okay. What are we making?
A spider.
What does Daddy think about spiders?
He's scared of them. It's a little bug.
A little bug? What kind of bug?
It's one that has a shell and can sting.
Ooh, it's got a stinker.
What's that one?
I'm not finished with it.
Oh, you're not finished with it? Okay.
What's your favorite part about Halloween, Henley?
About making these favorite cookies.
Captain America, will these cookies save the planet? They all look so different and unique. They also look yummy. Should we try one?
Sure. Good.
Great. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and thanks for crafting some awesome food bar cookies with us. Happy Halloween, and remember, this year it's trick or treat or food bar sweets. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this channel for more videos just like this one. 1, 2, 3.
Halloween.